Morning po, teacher.
Good morning.
Morning po. Good morning
Good
po.
morning.
Good morning po. Good morning po. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Okay, good morning. Can you hear me? Naririnig po ba ako?
Opo. Opo.
Okay, loud and clear. Nakikita po ba yung PowerPoint presentation?
Opo. Opo. Opo.
Okay, so
Opo.
can you open your camera so that I can monitor you? Yan, para nakikita ni teacher yung mga nakikinig at hindi at yung may ibang ginagawa, ha? Okay, so let's continue our discussion. So today we will be discussing now the harmful effect of improper trash disposal and burning household materials on the environment. So kahapon sa human being naman yung harmful effect na napag-aralan natin nga naman is in general in our environment. Okay? So at the end of this lesson, we will be explaining the harmful effect, or we will be able to explain the harmful effect of improper trash disposal and burning household materials on the environment. So yan yung main objective natin ngayon. So ano nga ba ang mangyayari if we dispose waste materials in our environment and burn these materials in our environment? So ano nga ba ang mangyayari? Okay, so let's have a review. So what are the harmful effects of throwing away materials and burning them on people's health and safety again?
Illness.
Okay, we have a illness. What else? Aside from illness, what
Difficulties
else?
in breathing.
Okay, difficulty in breathing. What else?
Injuries.
Okay, we have injuries. Okay, so those are your the harmful effect. So we have infections. So dirty and spoiled materials can carry germs that cause sickness like colds, diarrhea, or skin diseases. And of course, we have nabanggit na yan, injuries. So sharp objects or rusty trash can hurt people, causing cuts or wounds. And we have breathing problems. So the smoke coming from burning trash can make it hard to breathe and can cause coughing or asthma. So those are the negative effect of burning and throwing waste materials in kung saan. Okay? So next. Okay, so beside people, what else is affected by materials that are being thrown away or burned? O aside daw sa mga tao, sino pa yung naapektuhan ng irresponsible disposal of waste materials aside from human beings?
Nature.
Ha?
Mga hayop. Nature.
Okay. So we have the nature and mga hayop. So those are uh the uh, the other things that can be affected by irresponsible throwing or burning of garbage. Okay, so uh wait lang. Okay, so in this lesson, so we will be discussing, or we will be trying to answer how does throwing trash away in the wrong places and burning things hurt the environment. So, narinig niya na ba yung salitang environment?
Opo.
Okay, so what do we mean if we say environment? Ano daw ibig sabihin ng salitang environment?
Our surroundings.
Okay, kapaligiran. So, if we say environment, pakibasa nga po, Luke, what is the meaning of environment?
Environment as all the things together that surrounds animals and humans in the nature world, including the air, the water, and the soil.
Okay, so what do we mean again if we say environment? based on the text that you have read or napakinggan, Jared?
Environment is nature.
Okay, environment is our nature. Okay, so what else? Amy.
Environment is our soil.
Okay, environment is our.
Or else you will get difficult.
Okay, very good. What else? Ethan.
Mother Nature.
Okay, our mother nature. So if we say environment, this includes now your living things. So kapag sinabi natin living things, yung mga may buhay tulad ng people, animals, and plants, and of course, non-living things. Okay, pag sinabi natin non-living things, they don't have lives. Like for example, air, water, sunlight, soil, and rocks. So these things work together to help life grow and survive. So in simplest form, so environment is where we live, play, and learn. Okay, so the environment is the world around us. So it includes all the things that we can see, hear, and feel like trees, animals, and so on. So that is now the meaning of environment. Okay? So let's have an activity based on uh, the context about environment and the effect of throwing trash in the wrong places and burning places, burning household materials in our environment. So you will be observing pictures showing the effect of improper trash disposal and burning household materials on the environment. Okay, so we will be describing the harmful effect of improper trash disposal and burning household materials on the environment. So, this will be your guide question. So, anong materials ang makikita natin sa larawan? Number 2 is, how does the material affect the animals in the picture? And third one is, how does the material affect the plants in the picture? And number 4, how does the material affect the surroundings in the picture? So those are your guide questions. So let's have the number 1. So, okay, so what can you see in the picture? Or what materials can be found in the picture?
Trash.
Okay, we have trash ano yung makikitang mga trash dyan?
Plastics.
Okay, can, plastics, what else?
Paper plate.
Okay, we have paper plates. What else?
Juice box.
Okay, we have the juice box. So, okay, number 2 question is, how does the materials affect the animals in the picture? So, paano to nakaka-apekto yung mga trash na makikita natin dyan sa larawan?
By drinking water.
Okay, okay, pag nakainom siya ng maduming tubig, anong mangyayari sa kanya?
Magkakasakit.
Okay, magkakasakit. Eh, paano naman yung mga tinapong mga bote, mga cans, pag naapakan niya, anong mangyayari sa hayop?
Masusugat.
Okay, masusugat yung hayop. Okay, so the trash can hurt animals like the dog in the picture, and they might get sick if they eat or get injured by sharp objects. So number 3 is, how does the material affect the plants in the picture? O paano naman yung yung mga plants? Ano mangyayari sa mga plants? And the water?
Mamamatay.
Okay, mamamatay. Okay, so the trash can pollute the soil and water, making it hard for plants to grow. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mabubuhay yung halaman dyan. And of course, it can also block the sunlight or cover the plants, stopping them from getting what they need. So, tatakpan niya yung energy coming from the sun, hindi na maibibigay kasi natatakpat siya ng mga basura. Next one. How does the material affect the surrounding in the picture? Ano daw sa mangyayari sa environment?
Will be polluted.
Okay, it will be polluted and the place will make look dirty and unhealthy. So it can pollute the water, harm the environment, and of course make it unsafe for people, animals, and plants. Okay? Next picture, what can you see on this picture?
Madaming basura.
Okay, madaming basura.
Trash. And waste.
Okay, so waste materials like, magbigay nga po kung ano yung mga nakikita natin dyan na garbage.
Tin cans, broken tin cans, broken glass, broken sofa. Trash
Okay,
bag.
tin can. Okay, trash bags, plastic bottles. So those are the garbages or trashes that we can found on that picture. So we have plastic bottles, cans, bags, and other waste materials. So how does the material affect the animals in the picture? Ano daw mangyayari? Ano mangyayari sa animal in the picture? Pwede na ba?
Malalason.
Malalason, not else? Ano mangyayari pa? Aside from malalason siya, what else?
May injury po sa broken
Okay.
glass.
Okay, may injured siya sa broken glass. So the dog near the garbage might get hit, trash can carriages, and animals might eat harmful things or get injured by sharp objects. So meaning, yung mga basura dyan, pag hindi na-segregate yan, pag sinabi natin segregate, hindi siya na i-classify accordingly. Okay, may mga chemicals dyan, poisonous substances, pwede nang makaon at pwede ikamatay ng hayop na yan. Next. Okay, so how does the material affect the plants in the picture? Paano naman yung mga plants? Ano daw mangyayari sa kanila?
Namamatay.
Okay, mamamatay. Okay. Wait lang, ka-accept ko ito. Okay, next. Okay, so the garbage can block sunlight. Of course, tatakpan niya yung sunlight. Next one is, it will pollute the soil. Okay, and stop plants from growing properly. So it can spread also bad smells and attract pests na pwedeng manira sa mga halaman doon. How about the surroundings or the environment? What will happen?
It will be
Being polluted.
Okay, it will be polluted, so the area looks dirty and unhealthy. Garbage can make the place smelly, attract flies, and cause pollution in the land and water. So that will be the effect in our environment. Okay, next. How about this picture? Anong ginagawa nila sa basura?
Sinusunog.
Okay, sinusunog. So,
Sinusunog po.
they are burning trash. Okay, very good. So they are burning trash, including steering wheel, dull, hat, and other waste materials. So what do you think will be the effect of this burning of trashes to the animals in the picture? Okay, magkakasakit. So as you can see,
the CO2 or carbon dioxide. Causing them
okay. Okay, very good, GM. So they will be inhaling the gas like the carbon dioxide, which is bad for their health. Okay, so the dog looks worried, and the cat is sitting near the smoke. So burning trash can release harmful smoke that may make animals sick, hurt their lungs, or cause stress So how about in the environment? What will be the effect in the environment?
No more animals will live there.
Okay, no more animals will live there. Okay, very good. What else?
They
O
can
ano pa?
they will have asthma. Like
Okay, they will have asthma. What else?
When they inhale, it masama sa lungs.
Okay, masama sa umang. So, how about the in our environment? What is the effect?
no plant.
Nakasira sa ozone layer.
Okay, masisira ang ating ozone layer. What else? Of course, the 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 what or the gases that comes from
Global
the
warming
burning materials will be released such as na of course nakakasama sa ating ozone layer. Okay, so that was the harmful effect of this one. Okay, so good lang. Second. Okay, so let's have this one. So plastic, pakibasa nga po. Amy? Pakibasa nga po, Amy. Plastic paper, so
Yung mic mo.
yung
Plastic, paper, metal, and food waste thrown on land and in water cause environments to become dirty and smelly.
okay, so papers, plastic bottles, and of course, food waste thrown in the land and water cause the surrounding to become dirty and smelly. So kapag naipon yan, pwede nyo diyang mabuhay yung mga lamok. At pwede diyang mabuhay yung dengue. And dengue is very, most especially ng pag-ulan ngayon, maraming mga lamok at pag nahagat ka ng dengue at hindi naagapan, pwede natin ikamatay because of dirty and smelly surroundings or environment. So, what bad things can happen to animals when we throw away trash in the wrong places and bring materials from home? Ano daw mangyayari sa mga animals?
Magkakasakit sila.
O
They
kung
will
sila ay
get sick.
magkakasakit. What else?
Masuffocate.
Masusuffocate. What else?
Hirap ang breathing.
I-injure.
May-injure
Malalason.
sila. Okay, malalason sila. What else?
Hirapan yung breathing.
Okay, mahirapan sila na mag-breathe. What else?
Ang animals.
Okay, so malalason yung mga animals. Okay, so pakibasa nga po Sophia. Animals, go. Pakibasa nga po Curry James. Pakibasa.
Animals are affected. Animals can get sick when they drink dirty water from rivers and ponds. Injured when they step on broken pieces of trash. And have difficulty when the air is filled with smoke.
Okay. So, so, animals can get hurt. Sharp brush like broken glass or metal, impact or injured the animals. So wires and plastic can wrap or tangle animals, making it hard for them to move or escape. And of course, animals might eat trash. Some animals will think that that trash that we have thrown is food and eat plastic or spoiled material. So as a result, this can make them sick, cause stomach problems, or even kill them. Okay, so that is now the negative effect of this one. And of course, poisoning from chemicals. So burn materials release toxic smoke and chemicals. So this can poison animals through the air, water, or soil. And of course, uh, the effect of to these animals is they will be losing their homes. So trash thrown in forests, rivers, or fields can destroy animal homes. So animals may have to leave their respective habitat and struggle to survive. And of course, danger from people. So trash near roads attract animals which can lead to accident or injury. So that those are now the negative effect of irresponsible throwing of trash or garbages or waste materials, and of course burning them. Okay. Next. So moreover, so in dirt places, pests such as rats, cockroaches, and flies can grow. They will be attracted by the bad smell and of course the dirty surroundings. And these animals or pests can spread diseases, okay, na pwede nating makuha. Okay, kapag bumaha, for example, bumaha dahil na pumarami bakit galon sa kanal, kumakaw, okay, and yung dagat, nahawakan mo yung tubig na madumi na naihian ng daga or dumi ng ipis, okay, na hawakan mo tapos kumain ka, of course, it will lead to certain diseases, okay, that you can get from these pests. So that is now the effect of in our environment. And next, what bad things can happen to plants when we throw away trash in the wrong places and burn materials from home? Okay, ano naman daw ang mangyayari sa plants?
Nasisira.
Okay, masisira. What else? Okay, mamamatay. What else?
Oil.
Okay. Can they grow healthy? Yes or no?
Ba yung kulay?
Okay, nag-iiba yung
No.
kulay because they will not get the enough amount of sunlight coming from the sun. And sun is very important in, of course, in the production of photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is a way of the plant in making food. Sorry. Okay, so pakibasa nga po ito, Raven.
Are affected to plants on land and in water. Yet, what is
Let's talk about this chat ba? Okay, children,
plants
pangalan
and
ko lang
trees
ako. Dahil na mga nagsasama.
near a fire.
Dapat po, yung doktor, i-express sa behavior that you don't get do that. Then essentially,
Okay. Thank you, Raven. So the effect of throwing waste materials and burning in where the plants is the soil becomes dirty. So trash and ashes from burning can pollute the soil. So this make it hard for plants to grow strong and healthy. So number two, it will create air pollution. So smoke from burning trash releases dirty gases. So these gases can damage leaves and stop plants from making food. The process of making food is called photosynthesis. And number three, water pollution. So trash thrown near rivers or lakes can pollute the water. So plants that live in the water or need clean water to grow can get sick or die. So mamamatay yung plants. And of course,
Teacher,
it will
ihi
lead
po
to
ako.
yes po. So it will lead to acid rain. So burning materials can cause acid rain which fall from the sky and hurt plants. Acid rain can burn leaves and damage the root of the plant of the gases. Because of the harmful gases, nag-iiba yung acidity ng ulan kaya namamatay or nasisira yung dahon at yung pugat ng halaman. At pag nangyari yun, of course, mamamatay sila. And of course,
Teacher, ihi
stunted
po ako.
growth. Yes po. So, polluted soil and air can make plants grow slowly or stop growing. So, some plants may even change shape or not grow at all. So, that is now the effect of irresponsible throwing of waste materials and burning waste materials for the plant. Okay, so so again, so what are the harmful effects of throwing away materials and burning them on plants, animals, and our surroundings? O ano daw ang mangyayari sa plants, sa animals, at sa ating paligid because of the effect of irresponsible throwing away materials and burning them? Ano ang mangyayari ulit based on our discussion? O ano daw ang mangyayari?
Papasakit yung mga halaman.
Okay, magkakasakit yung halaman. What else?
Mamamatay yung mga halaman.
Okay, mamamatay yung mga halaman. What else?
Mamamatay yung mga hayop kasi wala ng pagkain.
Okay, mamamatay yung mga hayop dahil wala ng pagkain. So, these are the harmful effects of throwing and burning waste materials. So, number one, both get sick from dirty water and dirty air. Number two, animals get injured. Number three is plants and trees get caught up in the trash. So, tatakpan, kapag natakpan or nablock yung plants, of course, pwedeng madamage yung paglaki niya. Okay, mas lalo kapag mabigat yung nakadagan sa halaman. And of course, it will not get enough sunlight from the sun, which is needed for the, of course, growing of plants. And of course, plants and trees, for our surrounding or environment become dirty and smelly. Okay, so do you have any question?
Wala po.
May katanong? Wala po. So, tignan nga
Wala
natin
po.
pag-aralan. Okay, so, what did we discuss today?
About environment.
Okay, so about environment. So, what do we mean if we say environment again?
Our surroundings.
Okay, this includes your living things and non-living things in our natural world. Okay? And of course, what other, aside from environment, what did he discuss? Jared?
Burning stuff to humans.
Okay, burning stuff and the effect of this activity to the plants, animals, and of course to our environment. Okay? So as for your activity, so I will be explaining your activity, then later on I will be sending it. So we have the harmful effects on the environment. So look at the pictures, name the materials, papangalanan nyo daw kung ano yung nandoon, yung nakikita nating mga bagay doon sa picture and describe how it changed and explain how it can be bad for animals, ano daw, plants or for our surroundings, ano daw ang mangyayari based on the picture. Okay, so like for example, this one. So what are the materials that can be found in the picture?
The horse is eating trash.
Okay, the horse is eating the trash, or we can the materials that can be found in the pictures includes yung mga tires, plastics, mga tin cans. So those are the materials that can be found in the picture. And what happened to the animals in the picture because of the materials?
Nagkasakit.
Okay, it will get sick. What else?
Mamamatay.
How about
Lason.
okay, mamamatay. Okay, so
Food
iyan po yung gagawin nyo, ha? Okay,
Malalason.
mapi-food poison sila. Malalason. So, yung materials in the picture, kung ano yung mga makikita natin sa picture na mga trash. Okay po? Okay po?
Yes.
Okay, so,
Yes po.
okay, so, do this one on your science notebook. Okay, so, no more questions. So, we will see, you will be having your next online class in Filipino or and English in at 10:40. 10:40 minutes? Okay, 10:40. Okay, so pakibuksan ang camera para for your attendance. Okay, buksan ang camera para sa okay, so thank you for joining me today. So see you on Monday. Okay? Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa Monday. And
Sana may pasok na.
meron na yan kasi maganda na yung panahon natin. So on Monday, we will be having your summative test. So you have Saturday and Sunday to review your summative test in ESP, AP, and of course science and mathematics. Opo?
Opo.
Okay. So, see you on Monday. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
Bye, teacher. Bye. Bye, sir.
Ano rin? Ay, nakikita ko yung baby mo.
Okay, ito na. Tayo na lang. Aray.
Bakit?
Bakit tayo na lang
Mag-Roblox na ako.
Roblox ka lang. Pangalan mo?
Oo nga. Sia.
You play MM2?
Hindi.
What you play?
99 Nights in the Forest.
Oh my god. So I hate that game. 99 in the Forest.
Tsaka Grow a Garden. Ang dami.
Well, hell na. Bawal yan.
Tsaka Wacky Wizards. Ang dami mo outfits. Whatever
Tsaka
build with friends. That's your car. Whatever the school lands on. The escalator tower. Bye-bye.
Oh my god. So if
I will get the carpet here. So
I play Brookhaven and
ako din.
Paintball and alam mo yung ginagawa ko dun?
Ano?
Hindi. Wait lang. Conrad Pamilyasent.
Attachment? Ano ba yan? Attachment na yan? Okay, I got a wheel. So any
Ano?
car you land on, any car you land on is yours.
I play Bedwars. I play Bedwars. Join ka sa akin, magbo-Brookhaven ako. Iba yung account ko. Bakit? Friend kita kaso, iba yung account ko na.
Landed on a rally car.
Ako na.
So, landed on a rally car next to Sophia Camille.
Aray. Nagmamatch kami ng mga kuya ko ng avatar, kaya ganito yung avatar ko. Mas maganda avatar ko. Ano yung avatar mo? Hindi ko na nakikita.
Supercar is for Sophia Camille. Now it's my turn.
Mas maganda. I-search mo lang
The supercar is the
Pag-i-add
best
friend
supercar.
mo ako dyan sa isa mong account ngay is free. Sophia lang ilagay mo, meron agad ako dun.
Sophia
Okay.
Camille got a supercar from my wheel spin.
Okay,
Oh,
pangalan ko. Pangalan ko, Sophie. Tristan J88038. Wait, my friends.
So it's 8. 5.
So, Sophie? Yeah. Ang dami naman, Sophie. Sophia. Walang E. Oh my God, bro. Sophia. Ang dami. Sophia. May numbers pa. Madami akong account. Account ko lang din yan. I-add mo lahat. Sophie. Oh, hell na. Anong kasi number? Bro. I have a crush. Yung Sophia yung pangalan. Camille Fia 27. Camille Fia 27 yung original na name ko. Tingnan mo. Dalawa yun. Wala naman yung Okita Soji 7. No. Sophia, hindi malalaking letters. Nga. Okay, just type my name. Ano name mo? Okay. Tristan J. Walang space ha. 888038. Mali. Ulit mo. Ha? Tristan J 88038. J? Tristan Tristan J AY 88038. Ha? Tristan J nga tapos 88038. 38. Ayun. Right, okay, close na. Okay, there you are. Tignan mo avatar ko sa Brookhaven. Sige. Wait lang. Nga pala, nakabalik ako. Wait lang, yung crush ko naglalaro. Yeah. Brookhaven din. Tara, join natin. Sige, join mo. Join. Tignan mo avatar ko. Wait lang, God. Uy, buti hindi ako in position 1. Wait lang. Ano yan? May kanta. Sakit naman nun. Wait lang, kaka ko lang. Wait lang. Uy, dupin mo muna ah. Leave muna ako.
Okay. Tignan ko kung may ano na. But if
Ayos na ako. Mag-iinom kami. 4 araw ako mawawala. Gabi ako uwi. At wala kang magagawa. Ha? Kaya tayo, boys. Tayo na susunod. Kaya tayo, ganyan tayo tatapang. Mga ano lang. Mga masama yung panahon ah. Maalas ah. Maalas, parang uulan. Parang babagyo. Di ako tutuloy. May lumaban sa mukha. Masama panahon yun eh. Ayos na ako. Do you still love me? Even if I can bring forward, you still want me, baby. I ain't too broke. I think we play our days here. I ain't too broke.